If we are with boundaries, we will be always trying to fix our own identities. And that is the whole issue that is happening in us to defend our own self and our own communities. Dear brothers and sisters, sometime in the last week, one of the panel discussions in the newsroom, one doctor was saying, in defeating COVID, it is not enough that some country or groups helping others, but we need to become one single village because we share the sentiments, share the situation of each other as one single village. When we try to learn something from the gospel today, we need to understand how Jesus looked the people as a single family. He did not have any boundaries. He did not have walls between them. He did not keep himself as someone so great. He dealt with them as the children of God. In understanding the law there, eye for an eye, which Jesus changed, we need to understand the base of what Jesus is thinking, much beyond what a law can offer to them. Life. As Jesus said, I have come to give life and life in abundance. This life can be offered to one another only with as a single village, single home, and we are all the brothers and sisters in one single family. There, the mind and attitude of Jesus has to enter into our life today to follow such kind of a new law of Jesus, the value of the gospel. That is to love one another without any barrier, any boundaries. As in the first reading that we hear, we prove we are God's servants by our purity, knowledge, patience and kindness, by a spirit of holiness, by a love free from affectation, by a word of truth and by the power of God. And to have such kind of soft virtues in our life, we need fortitude. And for that fortitude, we need to affirm that there is Jesus in our life. If we are with boundaries, we will be always trying to fix our own identities. And that is the whole issue that is happening in us to defend our own self and our own communities, where only a retributive ethics can work to defend ourselves. Eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. But if Jesus is there in us, we will look for life in ourselves and also life in others. How can we visualize a life that can be sponsoring to one another life in abundance? Only by doing this, as Jesus said, love one another as I have loved you. Love heals. Love offers forgiveness. Love is compassionate to one another. And love is merciful. And love is creative and building one another. So as Jesus did, let the Spirit of Jesus be in our lives too, that we may work together in one heart and one mind.